Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? A feeling of connection to something vast, ancient, and beautiful? Those tiny points of light are not just stars. They are galaxies, entire islands of stars, each containing billions of suns and potentially billions of worlds. For all of human history, we've looked up and seen this cosmic tapestry. But what if I told you that we are living in a uniquely privileged moment? A brief window in cosmic time where we can see the universe in all its glory, and that this window is closing. Let's take a journey, not through space, but through time, far into the distant, distant future. Imagine our own galaxy, the Milky Way, a few 100 billion years from now. It's no longer the majestic spiral we know. It has merged with its neighbor, Andromeda, to form a giant elliptical galaxy, which astronomers have playfully nicknamed Milkomeda. The sky from a planet within this new galaxy would be different. The stars would be older, redder. But the most profound change wouldn't be the stars within our galaxy, but what lies beyond it. Or rather, what doesn't. If you were to look out with the most powerful telescope imaginable, you would see nothing. Utter, complete, and terrifying emptiness. The endless sea of galaxies that we can observe today would be gone, vanished without a trace. It wouldn't be because they burned out or collapsed. It would be because the universe itself had carried them away beyond our cosmic horizon, forever out of reach. How is this possible? The story begins with one of the most profound discoveries in the history of science, the expansion of the universe. In the 1920s, astronomers like Edwin Hubble observed that distant galaxies were all moving away from us. It wasn't that we were at the center of some great cosmic explosion. Instead, the very fabric of space itself was stretching, like the surface of an inflating balloon, carrying all the galaxies along for the ride. For decades, scientists debated the ultimate fate of this expansion. Would gravity eventually win, pulling everything back together in a big crunch? Or would the expansion coast on forever, slowing but never stopping? The answer, discovered in the late 1990s, was more shocking than anyone expected. Not only is the universe expanding, but its expansion is accelerating. It's getting faster and faster over time. Something is pushing the universe apart, counteracting the pull of gravity on the largest scales. Scientists have given this mysterious force a name: dark energy. We don't know what it is, but we can see its effects everywhere. It seems to be a property of space itself, a kind of cosmic anti-gravity. And as space expands, more space is created, and with it, more dark energy, creating a feedback loop that drives this runaway expansion. So, what does this mean for our view of the cosmos? Think of it like this. Imagine you're on a ship, and you see other ships on the horizon. If those ships are moving away from you at a steady speed, you could, in theory, build a faster boat to catch up. But what if the sea between you and those ships was also stretching, and stretching faster and faster? At some point, the ships on the horizon would be receding from you faster than the speed of light. Now, according to Einstein, nothing can travel through space faster than light. But this isn't about traveling through space. This is space itself expanding. There's no law of physics that limits the speed of cosmic expansion. This is exactly what's happening to distant galaxies. The space between us and them is expanding so rapidly that the light they emit today will never reach us. It's like they're on a cosmic treadmill that's accelerating away from us. From our perspective, they are effectively disappearing. They haven't gone anywhere, but the journey for their light to reach us has become impossibly long. The universe is becoming a collection of isolated islands. Right now, we can see light from galaxies that are billions of light years away. We are seeing them as they were billions of years ago. But as the acceleration continues, the most distant galaxies we can see today will cross this cosmic event horizon. One by one, they will wink out of our view. First the most distant ones, then the closer ones, until eventually, our local group of galaxies, the Milky Way, Andromeda, and a few dozen smaller companions, all bound together by gravity, will be the only thing left in our observable universe. Future astronomers living in Milkomeda will look out into the cosmos and see only the stars of their own galaxy. Beyond that, an endless void. They would have no way of knowing that billions of other galaxies ever existed. They would develop their cosmology based on the evidence available to them, and that evidence would tell them they live in a single static island galaxy, alone in an eternal empty space. The fundamental truths about our universe, the Big Bang, the cosmic expansion, the grand tapestry of galaxies, would be completely inaccessible to them. The clues would have been erased by the expansion of space itself. Think about the implications. Our entire understanding of cosmology is built on the observation of a universe filled with receding galaxies. Without that observation, would we ever have conceived of the Big Bang? It's unlikely. We would be in a state of cosmic amnesia, with no memory of our grand cosmic origins. This brings us to a profound and humbling realization. We live in a special time, a cosmic dawn for intelligent life, where the universe is still young enough, and the expansion is still slow enough that we can piece together the story of our origins. We can see the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background. We can see the light from the very first galaxies forming. We can witness the grand structure of the cosmos. We are, in a very real sense, the universe's historians, able to read its history before the pages are ripped out and scattered by the winds of cosmic expansion. This isn't a cause for sadness, but for a deep sense of appreciation. The knowledge we have, the picture of the universe we've built, is a precious gift of our particular moment in time. The fact that you and I can even comprehend this story, that we can know about galaxies that future civilizations will never see, is a miracle of circumstance. It puts our own lives, our own moment on this small blue planet, into a grand cosmic perspective. Every time you look up at the night sky, remember what you are seeing. You are seeing a spectacle that is temporary, a grand cosmic drama whose finale is an empty stage. We are the lucky ones. We got a ticket to the show. We are here at just the right time to witness the universe in its full, breathtaking glory, to understand where we came from, and to ponder where it's all going. So the next time you feel small, remember that you are part of a generation that is capable of seeing the entire universe. And that is a privilege of cosmic proportions. Thank you for joining me on this journey through cosmic time. If you found this as mind-blowing as I do, consider liking this video and subscribing for more explorations into the mysteries of our universe. Keep looking up.